program. 12 races to come your way, the first of which is in behind a starting gate, which is now rolling, and the favorite right now at even money, number 2, Think Gold. A trotter who tends to make his own racing luck, as he figures to be a key speed factor here for the lethal duo of trainer Richard Moreau and Sylvain Filion, who continue to lead their respective categories here on the WEG circuit in 2012. It's post time for the first race. And 2, Think Gold acting up behind the gate. On the trot, moving in now. Group of 7 lined up for the first race. Here they come. And they're off. It's On My Tab is the one who ended up making the stutter step start there. Break at the gate for It's On My Tab. Great beginning down the center for High Edith, blessed with speed, and Scott Zeron utilizes that speed to make the front. Coming away second, JC's Cadabra. Think Gold is going to backpedal into a 3-hole there as Filion steadies him and asks him to sit in the early going. Trotting over to be fourth is Guard Dog with a sharp leaving move. Safdie tucks him into mid-pack. Then it's back inside to Jimmy Shin from in fifth. Racing sixth is Solar Cash. Last is It's On My Tab. Quarter speed, 28 flat. They're into the backstretch, crossing that tunnel and into the straightaway. And High Edith has built up a 3-length lead here for Scott Zeron. High Edith, all by herself, moving into the backstretch. Second at the rail for JC's Cadabra. Then it's back to Think Gold from in third. Inside from in fourth trots Guard Dog, a length and a half back to Jimmy Shin from in fifth. Solar Cash is still sixth. It's On My Tab is seventh. Tapping the brakes up front, Scott Zeron. High Edith has just stolen away with a 58-second opening half. Second quarter in 30 seconds flat, and they move towards the far turn. High Edith, she'll be tough to catch tonight off these fractions. Right there from in second trots JC's Cadabra. Third in at the rail is Think Gold. He's about to get the whip over his back as Filion gives him first over marching orders as they move into that far turn. Think Gold really struggling tonight at the inside there from in third as Filion tries to get him motivated to the outside. Not much of an answer though from Think Gold. 3/4 of a mile, 1:26 and 4. Amped up speed of 28 and 4 in that third quarter. And High Edith says, catch me if you can. High Edith gets a wake-up call here from Zeron as she comes into the stretch, and she responds. She's 2 lengths clear now. Back in second, JC's Cadabra off a ground-saving ride, tips to the outside, but is yet to gain. Now Think Gold starts to get motivated on the end of the mile. Deep stretch lead for High Edith. High Edith, JC's Cadabra's not going to get her, and neither is Think Gold. It is High Edith who went to the front, made 2 left turns, and turned out the lights. 1:55 4/5, finishing second. It appeared was Think Gold over JC's Cadabra. 1:55 and 4. Gate to wire, High Edith.